Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are diving into AI Shop app, a revolutionary AI powered online store builder that lets affiliate marketers, digital marketers, and e-commerce store owners can create high converting automated fashion store with ease. In this video, we'll cover key features and benefits, pros and cons, pricing breakdown, ratings, and who should use it, and my final verdict. So, if you are looking to start an online business or make passive income through affiliate marketing, make sure to watch till end. Let's get started. What is AI Shop app? AI Shop app is an AI powered online shop builder that allows you to create a fully automated fashion store in just a few clicks. Unlike traditional e-commerce platform like Shopify or WooCommerce, AI Shop is fully cloud-based software, so no downloads or installation required, and preloaded with the 2 million best-selling fashion products, so you can start selling instantly. AI powered automated traffic system, so no need for paid ads and ad campaigns. Affiliate ready, so you can earn your commission for every single sale. Essentially, it's a done for you AI driven solution that make it easy for affiliate marketers and digital marketers to launch their own profitable online store without any prior experience. How it solves major problems. AI Shop app eliminates the common challenges of setting up an online store. Let's break it down the four major problems which it's resolved based on my opinion. First problem, high Shopify and hosting cost. This AI shop give you a free hosting services, so you no need to pay an monthly fees for your Shopify account or external hosting services. And problem 2, time consuming and store setup. Traditional e-commerce store setup takes days or even week. AI shopper builds your fashion store in under 5 minutes. Problem 3, expensive marketing and traffic generation. With its AI powered automatic traffic system, you can drive targeted buyers to your store without running ads. And as I completely understand, this AI marketing traffic generator is not a pre-built software. It's an upfront. You have to pay some extra cost for generate traffic. We'll discuss in detail in the pricing part. Next, no experience needed. Whether you are a beginner or a pro, AI shop app does not require heavy lifting. From store design to product sourcing and traffic generation is completely automated. Let's break this software's pros and cons. Let's take a look of pros. 100% cloud based, which I previously mentioned. No downloads or installation required. Ironclad 30 days money back guarantee, so it's a risk free trial. You can get the investment back if you're not like this particular product. 100% free hosting services and preload with the 2 million best selling products, and it comes with AI automated traffic and great for affiliate marketers and e-commerce entrepreneurs. Cons, there is no live chat support or social media integration. You have to do some kind of manual works and you have to drop a mail for any concern and queries, and there is no demo video or training provided in that website page. There might be a training inside the program, but nowhere it's mentioned in their website. Overall, AI shop is a powerful tool, but keep in mind that it's best suited for beginners and affiliate marketers rather than advanced e-commerce owners looking for full customization. And it's a narrow niche, it's only targeted for fashion brands. Let's talk about pricings and offers. AI shop comes in 4 different plans depending on your needs. AI shop app basic version costs you $17, and there is a discount for $14. You can check it in their website. I give the link in the bio. AI shop app agent costs you $47. It unlocks additional AI powered automation and customized option. And AI shop app automations cost you additional $37. This is what I mentioned in above. You have for traffic automation, you have to give extra $37 for better efficiency. and AI shop app reseller version costs you $97. Allow you to sell a AI shop app as your own product and keep 100% of your profit. If you are just getting started, I recommended the basic version or agent plan. But if you want to full automation and reseller rights, the reseller plan is the best investment. My personal rating. Before we wrap up, here are my the ratings. For user friendly, I'm giving 4 out of 5. The dashboard is cool. Pricing, I need the pricing to be bit competitive, so I'm giving 3 out of 5. AI store creation, it takes some much time, so I'm giving 3 out of 5. Traffic automation, you have to pay additional dollars, so I'm giving 3 out of 5. Software performance is good, so I'm giving 4 out of 5. Overall rating for this particular product is 3.8 out of 5, a solid choice for AI powered fashion online store. Who is it for, and my final verdict. So, who should use AI shop app? Affiliate marketers who want to monetize an AI powered fashion store with affiliate commissions. Digital marketers create a multiple online store and scale easily. Beginners in e-commerce, specifically a fashion niche guys, start an online business without investing in inventory or paid ads. And final verdict, if you're looking for a fast AI driven way to build an online fashion store without spending big of hostings, domain and marketing, AI shop app is 100% worth considering. However, if you are expecting advanced customization, social media integration or live chat support, this may not be the right fit for you. But for beginners and affiliate marketers, it's a solid AI powered solution. To get started with that online selling effortlessly, just check the link in the bio. If you found this review helpful, like, subscribe and drop a comment below. Would you use an AI powered store builder? Let me know in the comment. Turn on the notification for more AI powered product reviews.